Spring is here, and if you're a gardener, it's time to buy seeds. But where do you get them from? I'm going to give you some options ranging from buyer beware to my personal favorite option that you'll find at the end of the video.
Buyer beware.
We have dollar stores. You can save yourself a little bit of money by going to dollar stores, but do you really know where the seeds came from and how long have they been there for? Next, we have Amazon. Amazon can be a decent option, especially if you're looking for starter packs. But when you start to look for specific seeds, the options can be sparse. And the other thing to look out for is to make sure that where you're buying from has a lot of strong reviews or you get what you pay for. Next, we have Etsy. You can save some money by purchasing off of Etsy. But again, it's a matter of you get what you pay for sometimes. Just to give you an example, I had a cucumber seed called Sweet Success that I really liked. I ran out of the seeds and I decided to save some money on them by purchasing off of Etsy. When the cucumbers finally grew, I found out they were not the same cucumbers, and I was quite disappointed about that.
Okay, options.
Grocery stores, home improvement stores, and nursery, in that order. So the grocery stores tend to have one or two different options in terms of vendors for buying seeds. And then when you go to the home improvement, they'll have a few more options, and nursery will have quite a few options. So this is a good choice to go to. The only thing to look out for is if you take too long to buy the seeds, then obviously other people will buy those and you may not find what you're looking for.
Better choice.
To buy from the distributors directly online. I like this option a lot and I tend to do that. And what I like about those distributors is they tend to have a ton of variety. They have a lot of specialty seeds. And the other thing is if I find a seed that I really like, then I can usually buy in bulk and have those seeds saved for several years so that I don't have to keep buying small little packets of seeds.
The best.
The best option for seeds is to not buy them at all. If you make your own seeds, you save your own seeds from prior year, that's your best option. Obviously, it doesn't cost any money to do that. You know they're fresh, you know where they came from. And so there you have it. That is my definite number one option if you can do that. If you're interested in learning more about how to sow the seeds, I have a video on that. You can click the link below. As always, subscribe if you're interested, like, and for now, have a healthy harvest.